It's quite a unusual name. It's actually my childhood dream to pat a polar bear. And
Really? Now I hear they're quite aggressive though. You're not just gonna walk up there.
I cried when I saw them. So I took a boat in
Uh-huh.
the Arctic. I went to Svalbard. It's like a tiny island in Norway. And
Wow.
yeah, and then I saw the mama bear and the baby bear
Oh,
playing.
geez.
And
Uh-huh.
I was like, this is my childhood dream.
How close did you get?
I know we were in the boat probably 20 meters. That's
Oh,
still,
wow, so that's pretty close.
that is still close, but we're high up. So
Yeah.
like we're looking what the polar bears were doing.
Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, so we see some of your paintings in the background. You've been doing a lot of painting recently?
Oh yeah. Yes, so it's also good for your mental health.
Hmm.
It works out for me really well. There are things that it's challenging for me to articulate in words or to
Hmm.
express, but through painting, especially when I travel, I still take photos and videos, but there's a feeling that I wanted to capture and share, and I do that through painting. From when I don't know if you go to Italy, right? The
Hmm.
architecture is so beautiful, and I love all of the textures, the colors, the cobblestone, the history.
Right.
Then I transform those emotions and textures and sensual experience that I have to through art.